Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use text-to-speech on Discord, voice chat on Discord. The text-to-speech feature does not actually work inside voice chat audio. Text-to-speech is a feature used in text channels where messages are read out loud by Discord for users who have TTS enabled. Many users think it works directly in voice chat because the audio plays through the speakers, but it is still triggered from text messages. To use text-to-speech, open a text channel. As you can see, I have opened a text channel and typed /TTS followed by your message. And Discord will read it out loud. Let's say I want to read out loud, hello. Janu said hello, and it will automatically read the message. Keep in mind that server admins can disable text-to-speech permissions for channels or roles. If TTS is not working, it may be restricted in that server or turned off in your accessibility settings. We learned that Discord text-to-speech works in text channels using the /TTS command and does not directly function as a voice chat feature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial video.